Hello, MS arrangement team members. This is Diana. Just now we have a meeting for your lanterns, and then I want to show you our factory display area. You can see there are many beautiful lanterns and full of many themes. You can see this is a beautiful flowers, and the butterfly can moving. Okay, and turn on this side. You can see this is an animal scene. It's a wild animal scene can use in the zoo and other areas. Theme of fantastical symbols of the nature and the industrial. And then about this lantern is so big and it's the symbolic utopia. You can see the house and the bird are whole model. Let's move on. And this is we designed for the Chinese dragon. You can see his mouth can open and the color is changed. So it's more beautiful to use the change color. And this Christmas tree, we use the ball design to making it into the Christmas tree. And then it's about the winter theme. So we can do many themes of the lantern. Okay. And come here, you can see there are many lanterns are packaging waiting for shipping. It's our Italian clients' lanterns and many other clients' lanterns. Okay, and you can see we have made many lanterns for our clients around the world, and about 19% lanterns are imported from the Zigong. Okay, and then I will introduce a lantern how to make to be real life. Let's move on. I will introduce how to making a lantern steps. Then we arrive to our factory making area. You can see the first step to making the lantern is our design department will make the design picture. You can see is a Chinese dragon style. And then we will lay out the picture. You can see our masters will use this steel according to these pictures, one by one, to use this steel according to this line. Okay, and then it can move into the flat steel. You can see this is a Chinese cloud. So see according to the design to make the flat model. And then they will making the whole 3D model. You can see this is a Chinese word Fu. This is finished making and waiting for the raster painting. Then you can see this is a rusty-proof treatment area. After we making the steel frame, we will printing the raster anti on it. So it's used in the outside, it's waterproof. And we will printing many types on it. You can see it's black. Okay. You can see this area is our lighting area. Our master will use the light to put it inside the frame one by one. And you can see the light is one by one in the frame. And then our electrician master will do the 48 test. And then you can see this beautiful girl. You can see the inner. Inner is the light tube, it's another light. And we use the IP65 waterproof light on it. So it's waterproof outside. And then you can see we have many types of the light tube. Okay, so according to different size of the and the model of the light structure, so we will use a different light in it. And there are many finished light structure model. So it's waiting for to printing the fabric thick outside. You can see in the surface is a tree. So our master will use this fabric thick one by one to put outside the frame. Okay, as you can see, this is our color separation and pasting area. Our master will put this fabric thick one by one to the surface. You can see the flower will be coming finished. Okay. And you can see this beautiful girl. Yeah, and on her face is our next step. We will printing on his face to make its whole more perfect and more clearly to the design picture. Okay, let's move on the next step. You can see there are many finished steel frame lanterns are here to waiting for fabric silk printing. You can see this is ice cream and it's our client to use in the shopping window. Yeah, you can see the structure about this ice cream is cute. Okay. And then let's move on. There are many designs we use for our client. And there are some beads are waiting for the fabric thick printing. Okay, you can see it's our next step to printing outside the lantern. You can see these Christmas gift lantern are finished printing the fabric thick. So we will use this color to make it more perfect and beautiful. Okay, you can see this is a red bow about the Christmas gift box. Okay, so the printing is to make the lantern more perfect and also clearly to the picture. And then you can see these lanterns about the lattice. This we are finished to making and is on the 48 testing. You can see this is a big arch about the bird's zoos. So our customers will walking through this arch.